Fourth grade into math module 2 review vocabulary. Choose the correct term for from the vocabulary box to complete the sentences. Not all terms may be used. A mathematical relationship expressed in symbols is called a. So what we used yesterday to help us start out our problems. What was that called?
Formula.
A formula. A number that is added to another number is called an adding. Okay, and then that also kind of helps you. What word did they use? And that lets you know that it's going to probably start with a vowel, right? Okay. All right. Estimate, then find the sum. So remember, we do the highest place value. So 480,000. Would that be 400,000 or 500,000? Which would it be closer to?
500,000.
So I would do over here 500,000 plus, oh, I connected my stuff. Okay, would that be 300,000 or 400,000? That next one's 300,000. So 500 plus 300 is 800,000. So that's my estimate. And then I'm actually going to work it to find the actual answer. So 9 plus 1 is
10.
So put a 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is plus 6 is 3 plus 5 is 0 plus 1 is 8 plus 4 is carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is plus 3 is so 821,890. Is that close to our estimate of 800,000? Yes. So we probably have the correct answer. Okay. 403,977. Is that closer to 400,000 or 500,000?
500,000.
I look at the number to the right and it's 0. So that means I'm going to stay the same. So 400,000. Then I have 184,952. Is that closer to 100,000 or 200,000? 200 because I look to the right and it's an 8. It's 5 or higher, so I go up 1, right? And then I add them together. So what is 400 plus 200? 600,000. Then I'm going to actually work out the problem. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1. And you guys need to keep your place values a little better than I am. It's just hard for me to write on the board, okay? So 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 9 more is 19. Carry my 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 4 plus 1 is, put in my comma, 588,929. Is that close to 600,000? Yes. So my answers are reasonable. Next one, we only have thousands as our highest place value. So is 7,784, is that closer to 7,000 or 8,000? 8,000. Plus 2,389, is that closer to 2,000 or to 3,000? 2,000. What is 8 plus 2? 10. So 10,000. Okay, and let's go ahead and add them together. 4 plus 9 is
13.
1. 1 plus 8 is, or well, that would be easier to do your doubles first, right? 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So that's okay if you guys do it. It's fine, whichever way is easier. Now this one, it would be easier to do 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1 more is 11. And then 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 2 is 10. So it's 10,173, close to 10,000.
Yes.
Okay, and the way you guys were doing it by like doing those things that you see easier, that's great and that's fine. Just do not forget to add in your regrouping. Okay. All right. So we just did the addition part. Now we're gonna do subtraction. Okay. So 5,000. We're just gonna keep it at what? 5,000 minus 2,642. Is that closer to 2,000 or closer to 3,000? So, okay, so 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2,000, right? Okay, now, can I take 2 from 0? No, so the first 0 becomes a what? 10, and I have to go next door and take 10 more, but I can't make that a 10 now. I have to make the next 0 a 9, and then I had to do the same thing because I wouldn't have originally been able to take 4 from 0, right? Okay, so then that next 0 becomes a what? A 9, and then the 5 becomes a 4 because you had to borrow from there too. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is what? 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So it's 2,358 close to 2,000? Yes, so our answer is wrong. And guys, that's why I go ahead and get all my columns ready to go before I start, because I might have gotten here and said, oh yeah, I can take 4 from 9, so I don't need to regroup. And then would that have gotten me the wrong answer? Yes, okay. Number 7, 475,837. We're going to estimate to our highest place value. Is that going to be 400,000 or 500,000? 500,000. Minus 264,822. Is that closer to 200,000 or 300,000? 300,000. So 500 minus 300 is 200,000. Okay. Now, 7 minus 2 is what? 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. They were nice on that one, weren't they? So 211,015. Is that close to 200,000?
Yes.
Yeah, so our answer is reasonable, right? Okay. Next one, 68,652. Is that closer to 60,000 or 70,000? 70,000 minus 16,867. Is that closer to 10,000 or 20,000? 20,000. So our estimate is 50,000. 70 minus 20 is 50. Okay. Can I take 7 from 2? No, so this becomes a 12. The 5 becomes a 4 because you go next door. Can I take 6 from 4? No, so this becomes a 14. Then my 6 becomes a 5. Can I take 8 from 5? No, so it becomes a 15 and my 8 becomes a 7. Do I need to regroup anymore? No, because I can take 6 from 7, and then of course I can take 1 from 6. Okay, so 12 minus 7 is 5. 14 minus 6 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7. Okay, 7 minus 6 is 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So 51,785. Is that close to 50,000? So our answer Number 9, news told. The sports arena had a total attendance of 54,927 people on Friday and Saturday night. If 23,380 people were in attendance on Saturday night, how many people were in attendance on Friday night? How many more people were in attendance on Friday night than on Saturday night? Tell what strategy or tool you will use to solve the problem, explain your choice, and then find the answers. So we're just going to find our answers, but we have to do 2 problems, right? Okay, so let's pull out our information. So for both Friday and Saturday night, it was 54,927. And then for Saturday night, it was 23,380 people. Okay, so we need to find, what did we need to find? Friday, right? So Friday night, okay, and then we need to find the difference. Difference is the answer to what?
Subtraction.
A subtraction problem. Okay, so to find Friday night, what am I going to do? Okay. Okay, can I take 7, or can I take 7 minus 0? Yes. So 7, can I take 8 from 2? No. So this 2 becomes a 12, and this 9 becomes an 8. Do I need to simplify anymore? No. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 minus 1 is, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so on Friday night, there was 31,547, and what's my label?
Attendance. People.
Or people, yeah. Okay, so to find the difference, which 2 numbers are we going to use now? The answer we just got minus what?
The
23,380. Okay, so 7 minus 0 is 7. This 4 becomes a 14. The 5 becomes a 4. Can I take 3 from 4? Yep, so we're good there. But over here, can I take 3 from 1? No, so this becomes an 11, and the 3 becomes a 2. So 14 minus 8 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. 11 minus 3 is what?
8.
Is 8. Yep, 8. And then, of course, 2 minus 2 is 0, so we don't need to put that. So the difference is 8,167. And what's my label? People.